2330 Zulu, wind 300 at 14, visibility 3, mist, ceiling 200 overcast, temperature 9er, dew point 9er, altimeter 0997 hectopascal. Brake. Lodges, time 2300 Zulu, wind missing, visibility more than 6, few clouds at 2000, temperature 24, dew point 20, altimeter 1019 hectopascal. Brake. Repeating aviation weather. Shannon, time 2330 Zulu, wind 170 at 8, visibility more than 6, few clouds at 3000, ceiling 4000 broken, temperature 13, dew point 11, altimeter 1010 hectopascal. Brake. Presswick, time 2320 Zulu, wind 140 at 4, visibility more than 6, few clouds at 1800, temperature 14, dew point 11, altimeter 1009 hectopascal. Brake. Keflavik, time 2330 Zulu, wind 300 at 14, visibility 3, mist, ceiling 200 overcast, temperature 9er, dew point 9er, altimeter 0997 hectopascal. Brake. Lodges, time 2300 Zulu, wind missing, visibility more than 6, few clouds at 2000, temperature 24, dew point 20, altimeter 1019 hectopascal. Brake. Shannon, time 2330 Zulu, wind 170 at 8, visibility more than 6, few clouds at 3000, ceiling 4000 broken, temperature 13, dew point 11, altimeter 1010 hectopascal. Brake.
Bonjour.
Terminal forecast. Shannon, no report received. Brake. Presswick, no report received. Brake. Keflavik, no report received. Brake. Lodges,